At Mobility First, we offer on-site preparation and installation of your stairlift if it is urgently needed. If you are just considering one, we also offer free in-home assessments to take measurements and go over what options may suit your needs best. We can install straight track lifts as well as custom curve track solutions depending on your needs. Mobility First has been serving our community for over 20 years and have a big and beautiful store with many items for your safety in your home as well as your mobility to get out of the house. We hope to see you soon.